Variety is the spice of life. Welcome to Muffins Galore, where we'll take one batter every week and make it into a delicious, scrumptious muffin. Why? Because we love muffins. Hi, guys. Welcome to Muffins Galore, where we'll take one muffin batter every week and we'll make you a delicious, scrumptious muffin. Yes, it's because we love muffin. So guys, today's muffin is going to be an oatmeal apple raisin muffin. Healthy, healthy, healthy. If you're on a weight loss journey and you still want to indulge now and then this is the muffin for you. So here we go. We're going to get right into it. Waste no time. We're going to get the party started. All right. Okay, guys, so I've got my bowl here. Got my bowl ready here. Inside it, I've got the egg. The egg is ready to go. So the first thing we're going to add right now, before I add anything, I'm just going to break this apart a little bit and kind of give it a mix. And then, guys, we add our melted butter. So we're doing the wet dry method. So we're adding all the wet ingredients. And then we'll just give this a nice thorough mix. Then we go in with our milk. I have some spices here. What I'm doing, I'm using a mixed essence. So here we go. Mixed essence. And we have our vanilla. Guys, you know that summer is definitely bye. And fall has pushed its head in. So now I decided that, you know what? This recipe is perfect for the beginning of fall. Make use of apple. You know, the apple season is coming, where we all have apples and squash and sweet potato, pumpkins, the whole 9 yards. So this is great. So now, guys, I'm going to add the sweetener. And this is just our sugar. And because this is the same recipe that we use weekly to make our muffins, what I did in this one, I just lower the sugar content just a little bit so it's not so sweet. Because we do want to keep things healthy around here. So I'm just making sure that the sugar dissolves properly. Okay, so I've got our spice, our dry spice that I'm going to add now. And this is nutmeg and cinnamon. Usually I add a little bit of cardamom to it, but I'm out of cardamom. For some reason, I finished my cardamom and I did not remember to pick some up at the store. So now I'm out of cardamom until I get to the store. Okay, so we'll just mix this. Make sure everything is incorporated properly. So guys, how have you been enjoying these muffins that I've been doing weekly? You know, I am a muffin lover. You could tell. And by the time this channel mature, I'm going to have over 200 variety of muffins on here. And that's a promise. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna add the dry ingredients now. So the first thing I'm gonna add is the oatmeal. What I did was blended the oatmeal out. I blended it out, and then I'm adding the flour. The recipe, the full recipe, will be in the description box as usual. Definitely, I will put the recipe there for you. And this is a very nice muffin. It's wholesome and not to mention delicious. With all them flavors, it is delicious. Okay. Guys, I had no idea my video had stopped. So guys, I'm finished making it because I had no idea the video had stopped. I'm so sorry. I added the apples and the raisins in here. And now I've got my pan ready and I'm going to put it in the muffin cup. So, and there it is. I had no idea. I was so busy talking. Oh my. So busy chatting away. I did not notice, but anywho, these things happen. So guys, we're gonna bake these muffins for between 22 to 24 so minutes at 350 degrees. All the instructions are in the box below, as I told you. I know the place is going to be smelling amazing. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, so I'll be back when these are done and you'll see the end product. Guys, I'm not bragging or anything, but guys, this muffin is so good. This is going to be one of my favorite muffins now. It is really, really good. I'm calling it, it's so soft, so moist, so delicious. The flavor. Oh my God, I love it. See you in the next video. Alrighty.